Is this real?
We're going.
We're doing it right now?
We're doing it right now.
We're doing it with my hands.
We're doing it right now.
We're doing my hands. It's cold outside, boys. I got leggings on for CrossFit. Got some Lululemon leggings on. And then this rain jacket and some arrows, boys. We're going to start it off with a little cinnamon.
Little fireball action before we get started on the trail.
A little Ingle Sammy.
Little picnic.
That's that.
Yay! Yay!
Cheers. Cheers. Cheers to being friends.
You guys, what are we doing?
We're going to Sam's Knob Trail and camping and being friends.
Little Sam Knob tonight.
Little knob tonight.
We're doing the big old knob tomorrow.
Big old knob tomorrow, boy.
Big knob. Well, it's raining pretty hard right now.
Very windy, very rainy.
It's been raining for like an hour or so already.
I think longer than that. I think it was a few hours.
Maybe. We're gonna wait it out for another hour or so.
Yep.
And see if it quits. Otherwise, we'll just pack up in the rain.
Just suffer through it.
Suffer fast.
Suffer fast.
Suffer fast.
Hey guys.
Hey!
Are we having fun? Come here, Neil.
No fun.
Are we having fun?
We got that hurricane.
It's a goddamn hurricane out here. We're in a cloud, boys. Look at us. Just finished the AT. All right, guys. See ya.
You guys, we made it!
Oh shoot!
Shoot!
We did it, boys.
We made it!
Look at the window. A little soggy.
It's a little, yeah, it was a little wet.
Yeah, little wet, little brisk,
hurricane.
little windy.
Great
Happy
work.
trails.
Yay!